Good morning guys, welcome to day 3 of Singapore. So I'm just ready and I'm gonna go down for some breakfast just before it finishes, because it finishes at 10:30 and it is now 10:20. So I'm gonna head down there for some breakfast, and I'm gonna head off to my cousin Cynthia's house and we're gonna do some sunbathing. She's gonna make me lunch, and then I think we're gonna go for a bit of shopping, and then she says she'll take me to wherever I want to go. So I'm gonna see what we can do today, and possibly see if we can go to some sites or something. If not, I'm planning to have a full day in the afternoon tomorrow to see some sites, take some pictures, etc. So yes, I'll see how it is later, and hopefully I'll be more browner the next time you see me. So I will see you again a bit later. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm just with Cynthia. Say hi. We're walking the dogs. I have Oreo. And this is Cookie. Cookie, say hi. Anyway, so we just had a tour of Cynthia's new house, and we're now walking the dogs. So cute. So they're currently having their toilet round. Oreo's already had a poo and about 4 wees, whereas Cookie hasn't really done anything yet.
No.
Hi. Hi. Oh, oh. My shoe.
Hi, say hi.
Go on in. Good boy. Oh. Look at the way he's lying down with those feet. Cookie. Hello. Are you tired now? Yeah. Look at those feet. So this is where I'm gonna be sunbathing later. There's already someone saw me there, so I'm gonna go maybe possibly there or there. The sun's shining from like behind. They're all empty seats, which is nice. And this is classed as an infinity pool according to Cynthia. Can't wait to get in, it's super hot today. Hi guys, I'm just with Cynthia. Again, we're at the pool, so we're just about to, I've got to flip this back, get in and take some photos for Instagram. But anyway, here's Cynthia again. She just wanted to say hi again. So this is her pool, and we're just, the sun has gone in, but we're just going to chill out anyway. So typically, I was just saying to Cynthia earlier that it hasn't rained in the last 2 days. That's pretty good, isn't it? And look at what's happened now. Don't know if you can probably see it, but it is pretty much raining over there. So yeah, so we've just had to rush back from the pool so we don't get completely soaked. Not that we weren't soaked anyway, it was pretty wet anyway. So yeah, so we're just gonna chill out, and then we just catch up some more, and we're gonna head over to some place for food later. And yeah, that's about it. And then I'm gonna head back to the hotel, get ready, go to my aunt's and all that. So yeah, so I'll take you along obviously, so you're gonna see everything. I will vlog as much as I can, and I will see you later.
No, whole life not
This is Pratters. This is how they video. Yeah, watch him go. That's how they make it. have just got some drinks. This is milk tea and this is lime juice. Oh, and here it's arrived. So gonna dig in and try it out. So this one is called, what is it called, Cynthia? This one? Tissue Prata.
Tissue Prata.
And it's got a special special toppings. Looks like strawberry sauce and chocolate sauce or something.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Cynthia always makes me laugh. So we are now with
Hi.
Hi again. So we are in, where are we? Where's this place called? Sleepy.
The ramen store.
Ramen store, having some Japanese food. So let me show you what we have already. So we just have a few things. And Chongzi has a dish.
How's it on?
Really nice.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, so we're just gonna have some food and then I know, but okay. But yeah, we'll see you a bit later. Hi guys, so I've come back to my hotel room and was gonna go to my aunt's, but then she was just like, my grandma's gonna go to bed soon, so I was just gonna see them tomorrow anyway, so it's fine. So I've just got ready and I'm gonna head out to meet my uncle. We're just gonna have a couple of drinks and then yeah, and then call it a night because I need to come back, paint my nails, edit yesterday's vlog and all that stuff. So just thought I'd check in and just let you know what's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now, so I will see you a little bit later. Bye. Hi guys, say hi video. Hi baby. Oscar, say hi to my video please.
Sorry?
Say hi.
Hello.
We watch him dance.
Hello. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Deal.
Okay. Video. It's like, say hi.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. Marcus, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi guys, so I'm back from my night out with my uncle Oscar, so you would have seen him earlier. So just got into my PJs and I need to take off this makeup and then I still have to edit my vlog and paint my nails, so it's going to be a long night ahead. It's currently like 2:45 or something like that, and yeah, I've still got heaps to do, so I'm going to crack on with that and then I'm going to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog and I will see you again tomorrow, hopefully for some more footage of touristy stuff. So I'm probably going to pop into Chinatown tomorrow, which will be quite exciting and quite colourful, a bit like Little India. So yeah, so I will take you along with me, of course, and yeah, have a good evening or morning or whenever you're watching this vlog, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.